Dental economics here at our stage.
Just dentaleconomics.com. That's where they can find it.
All right, so there we can find the video footage and we can watch you watching this show,
Yes.
obviously.
Hey Chris, what's cooking?
Oh man, I just ended this day in the perfect way possible. We got some brilliant economic research, which I'm a huge nerd for, and a delicious meal. I couldn't be happier.
I mean, what goes better together? Dental economic research and shrimp and PAO.
Yeah, oh, incredible. So we actually, Atlas Dental this is a publication of European research, economic research, that was put out. We heard a presentation from Dr. Bernd Rebman. The presentation was in German. Fortunately, this publication is very much in English, and this is something if you're interested at all in the European market, you can go online and access this. I strongly encourage it. And then the food was delightful.
Yes, and it's a great way to we're bringing about our close to day 2 here. And we've had a good selection of activity today. I went to a press conference that Align put on. I'll be talking to their top brass tomorrow. This afternoon, I'm going to talk to Don Casey from Dentsply Sirona. And this morning, I got to check in with Ivoclar and talk to one very influential person in the market, their CEO, Robert Gangley, and the successor, Diego Gamaturo.
Yeah. They are both really impressive. I've known Bob Ganley for a few years now, and he is just a wealth of information on the market and where the industry is headed. And I was really impressed meeting Diego. He had big shoes to fill, but I think he'll fill them well.
Yeah, he said some very interesting things about the Ivoclar technology and how some of the things that they have in the can, they will hold for years until it's ready to go out, where other companies may release it much more early. As he said, they'll hold it till it's 100% ready to go, and maybe they should, maybe even go a little earlier, about 98% to get ahead of things. But that's their commitment that they have to 3D printing, milling, to you name the technology.
Yeah, absolutely. And they're known for having very high-level products in all the different categories. They're not a me-too product company at all, and you can see that when you speak to the CEOs.
Yes. Watch the interviews. In this newsletter, we've also got some stuff from CareStream. And hey, we're going to wrap it up here with just a toast to our end of day 2. So, cheers.